Louisiana shit. Murder on the beat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Holley, back at it with another video. And guys, if you're new to my channel, please stop what you're doing and please subscribe down below and like this video. Okay guys, but today I did a wash and go, as you can see, and I used the Pantene Gold Series line. And y'all, I'm really feeling it, guys. Like, I don't really do wash and goes because, you know, my wash and goes always turn out like not popping. But guys, do you see this? Like, it looks really good. It's giving me like real Glam Twins vibe. You know, I'm really feeling it. Yeah, but guys, like, come on now. It matches the backdrop too. How ironic is that? You know, the little gold. Come now. And guys, one more thing. I got the gold frames to go with the Gold Series in the gold background. Yeah. But this piece is so annoying. Like, I know I can use like perm rods to curl the ends, but I don't want to do that. You know, I got time, so I just kind of left it. But I don't know what to do, guys. If you got any like advice for my hair for the ends, let me know. I've cut it. I have no idea. It's going back straight. I don't know. But anyway, guys, if you want to see how I achieved, if you want to see how I got this look, guys, please stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's get started. So in front of me I have the Pantene Gold Series. So first I have the conditioner. I have the hydrating buttercream. And I also have the intense hydrating oil. Alright, so I'm going to do a little wash and go today. I haven't did one on my channel yet, so I thought that would be pretty cool. Alright, so let's get started. So, okay, I already washed my hair and I already conditioned it. So I'm just gonna get into the styling. So I'm gonna take down my hair. And I'm going to first section my hair into 4 sections. Yeah, 4 sections. So let me get my mirror. Okay. First, I'm gonna do it in just like 2 sections because I don't have enough clamps. Alright, guys, and also, guys, so let me give that a little background on my hair. So I guess you said I'm transitioning. Because I never did the big chop, and I used to get perms like all my life. So growing up I got perms like, yeah, all the time. So, and one day I just stopped getting perms, so I never did the big chop at all. So, like, doing YouTube, guys, I noticed that my hair isn't as healthy as it should be. So I'm gonna like be basically like doing a lot of like, you know, road to healthy hair stuff on my channel, because yeah, I noticed that it's not as healthy as it should be and as I thought it was. So yeah. Like, even today when I wash my hair and stuff and condition it, I was gonna take a picture of my curls, but they weren't looking juicy and like, you know, dripping, and I don't know, they weren't looking as good as I thought they used to look. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of healthy hair stuff, a little healthy hair journey. Alright, but anyway guys, so first I'm going with the I'm gonna use the conditioner as a leave-in because my hair is super dry, super dry. So first I'm going to do that. Apply this all over my hair. And guys, this stuff smells pretty good. Yeah, so let's apply this all over my hair. And I think I'm going to use my dimming brush today and just comb through it. Oh no, so. And I low-key do want to like do the big chop, start over, but I'm so scared. But I'm gonna just try to like, you know, basically bring it back to Alright, so. And then I'm going to go in with the intense oil. The intense hydrating oil. See, it's open. Oh yeah, by the way, this is my first time using these products. There we go. It smells good. It smells like nothing. But I did 3 pumps of the oil. It's probably too much, but let's see. But I ain't gonna lie, it's looking like really good so far. And guys, I really don't usually do wash and goes because my wash and goes are trash, honestly. I guess because my hair wasn't in the healthiest state, but right now they're looking really juicy. Alright, but next I'm going to go in with the hydrating buttercream. I showed you guys, but yeah. This smells like, honestly, like lotion. Like, just plain lotion. But I'm really pleased how it's looking, guys. And that's like no lie. It looks really juicy. I'm gonna go with my brush and finish combing or brushing the product through. Yeah, but it looks really good so far. I'm going to do a little scrunch. Now that section is done. On to the next. And I'm going to be doing the same exact thing. First going in with the conditioner as my leave-in. As you see guys, like my hair is I have like a lot of like straight ends. And I feel like that's just because it's not as healthy as it should be. And I have cut my hair, like trim my ends frequently, like, you know, either once a year or every 6 months. So. Alright, sorry guys, I'm back. Yeah, but the craziest thing has happened to me. So, I just fed my baby, right? Breastfeeding still. And, so I'm wearing his shirt, right? So I went outside to get Shasper out of the car. And I forgot to freaking put my breast up. So I went outside. With my damn tit out. I was like dying laughing. Okay, but back to the video. have no idea where I left off, what I was talking about. But yes, but overall, I'm on the road to healthier hair. That is my goal for this year. All I want is healthier, thicker. I can't even say the word like thicker hair. Yeah, but that was just so funny to me just then. But guys, this is my first time using their products, and I'm really liking it so far. Let me go first. Yeah, I see these straight pieces. That's what I'm talking about. Do a little scrunch. Alright. Now to the next piece. Alright. Now I guess I'll do my edges after my hair dries completely because I left my gel in the other room, so I'm gonna leave it. Just please bear with me guys because I'm gonna get better. Like see, all this down here lasts for like hours from my hair, like. And this, it still goes back straight. I feel like the ends down here, the ends on this side, I have no idea. But I'm about to cut it off. Okay, well, this is it for now. I'll be back in probably about 2 hours, 2-3 hours. And you guys will see the final result. So, see you guys later, but okay, before I go, like, it's looking like really good so far, so I think I'm pretty pleased. But like I said, see you guys in 2 hours. See you. My hair is dry. So I went ahead and added some more of the intense hydrating oil back in my hair, just to give it a little crunch out a little bit. And guys, it is really lit. It's giving me real like Glam Twins vibe right now. So I'm really feeling it. But I ain't gonna lie, this is one piece in the front of my hair. Always stay straight. That's why I don't really do wash and goes, as you can see in the front. Yeah, but it's okay. And I swear guys, I cut this piece and it always just like comes back straight. So I don't know what to do. But anyways,